Okay, so now onto the tram. This is a game it's you know, one of the first games I ever recorded for YouTube. I didn't do a full playthrough, but I really don't remember a lot of it either. It's been so long ago, and I've already played the sequel and everything. I've already forgotten a lot of this stuff. Huh, there's a door here. They told me to take the elevator, but what's in the room? Oh, it's just the bathroom. I've already been here, haven't I? Oh no, I haven't been in this one. Save yourself. Where is everybody? There's a weird noise. Shut the fuck up. We got a large med pack. And we gotta drop one of these small ones. Pick up the large one. What does it say here? What are you willing to give up your life for? You know, most people write for a good time, call this number. These people write these fucking crazy life-searching messages on the wall. Soul-searching. Wash hands before returning to work. Okay, another lift. And we need elevator music. Dun 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 dun. Store.
And place extra items in the safe.
Ah, okay. So for the first time we've got a store. Do we have any items, anything to pick up, like any credits around here before I use the store? It doesn't look like it. Got a bench, but I haven't found any more nodes. Alright, let's see what we can buy. Ah, I could buy different guns. I have 20,000, so I could actually buy... I might want to buy the level 2 suit. It increases inventory slots and armor. Let's see here. Alright, how do I do this? How do I move it to the safe? Move. There we go. I'll move 3 small med packs to the safe. There we go. I'm going to buy the level 2 suit. More inventory slots. It's pretty critical. Upgrade time. Aha! Now he's starting to look a little bit more like, you know, the classic outfit. I remember when you max it out. That's actually, I have a model of Isaac in the maxed out version of this suit, which is pretty neat. So now I have more inventory slots. Now, do I want the line gun or the pulse rifle? Let's go for the pulse rifle. Alright, I'm not sure what it runs on though. What kind of ammo does it take? I'll probably start finding it. Okay.
Red weapon icon. See, your weapon has no ammo in its clip.
Aha. It's got 50 rounds. Oops. Pressed the wrong button. I used stasis by accident. Alright, we'll go back to the line cutter for now. And alright, that's it. Onto the tram. Get this sucker moving. Chapter 1, new arrivals complete. Very nice. Save up. Alright. Chapter 2, Intensive Care.